Okay, so it's been about an hour and the machine is still running. Normally, the cycles are on for an hour and off for 2 hours. However, looking at the contacts here, you can see when the bellows shrinks, this little arm right here goes this way, and there is a latch mechanism here that will cause the contacts to snap once this reaches the right position. So this little piece of metal right here tends to be approximately vertical when it's just about to trip. So it has been an hour, and it really doesn't look all that close to tripping. So this thing is the on times are definitely longer with the ice in it, which makes sense. But I just wanted to point that out. Looking at the temperatures here, these are the temperature probes. I put this next to the ice tray, hopefully to get a sense of what the temperature of the evaporator is. But I don't, I think it's mostly. I think it's getting the temperature of the water in the ice tray, so that's a lot higher than one would expect it to be. This is the probe that is in the water right now, so it shows the outside temperature. It's in the mid 70s right now. It's still the morning, so it's about 77 in here in the garage, and the water here is 30.7. Now up here I have a little calibration. So this is actually 1.4 degrees off. So this is actually around freezing, more or less. So it has brought the temperature of the water down, and it's freezing from the bottom up. So the probe at the top, we're looking for this to start dropping into the 20s, and at that point it's starting to get close to freezing. So right now it is decidedly not close to freezing, which makes sense, since we estimated it would take at least 4 hours if this thing ran continuously. So we'll keep watching it. So I have this, feels somewhat warm. I have a fan blowing on it because when the temperature gets into the 80s, the top of the DR gets quite hot. So it's a lot happier with a fan. So putting my hand here, it is definitely warm. I wouldn't quite call it hot yet. It's been running for an hour, but